Welcome back to the Crowdfunding Demystified YouTube channel. And today we're getting to the invitations that you can send out with a WeFunder campaign, something not a lot of people know about. It's coming up right after this. Okay, so this is again part of the dashboard tutorial that I've been going over with you on my series of videos. And you can basically invite people to say they believe in you, to provide a reference for people who basically are interested in what it is you're doing in life. You know, it could be part of your career, previous investors in the past, etc. And the way you do this is you go to this invitation section in the dashboard, you enter your name and the email, their name and the email of the person that you'd like to send this, and also the personalized message. Now, the other cool thing is you can actually customize terms. So which investment contract will you be using here? What terms will this contract have? If you want to, you can get into this. And this goes beyond the scope of today's video, but you could go into what's called SAFE, which is future equity, revenue share, future equity plus revenue share, simple loan, priced round. There's a lot you can go in there when it comes to customizing terms. Now, what I like the most, and also how you use this, is you want to basically try to prime the pump, get people invited ahead of time, so that way when you go live with your campaign, you're already gonna have a bunch of people that are interested and that are vouching for you and excited for you to go live. The other thing I really want to quickly say here is that when you invite someone who later invests over $25,000, WeFunder is not gonna charge any fees, which is huge, right? When you think of like other companies and other platforms, they're gonna be charging fees. WeFunder doesn't charge when someone invests over $25,000 that you have invited ahead of time. So if you know, for example, ahead of time that you're going to have a big investor, you might as well invite them here, so that way there aren't any fees attached to their big investment. This is basically big dollar investors. The other thing is that this is a great opportunity for people to leave you feedback, right? So you can refine your pitch, and as well for people to give you like pointers and tips and things that aren't super clear. So you can address that early on versus later on when you've realized that people aren't interested in investing in your campaign. The easier you can make it to understand, the better it is going to be going forward. Want to take all the stress out of fulfilling your Kickstarter rewards? Fulfillrite is the turnkey solution that puts product delivery on autopilot. The Top Campaigns uses trusted high-tech provider to store, package, and ship their products. Focus on growing your business. Leave shipping to the experts. Don't wait. Get a custom quote from Fulfillrite today. Link in the description. So this is a very cool functionality or feature where other people are basically vouching for you. To me, the best part of a WeFunder campaign and equity crowdfunding is the social proof element. Like, look at this. How is this not compelling to see that over 700 people have left positive reviews of this company, but have said really great things about it, and that these people are investing in it for this reason? Like, how freaking cool is that? I think that's tremendous social proof to have all of these people who are so excited to be investors and that are so happy to be a part of it. And I think it's just really inspirational. So the neat thing about a WeFunder is that you're basically capturing the social proof of everyone that becomes an investor who wants to leave this in the actual campaign period. And this can be very persuasive and powerful, particularly if you're a small company and you're trying to reach some big name or big dollar donors. And you're like, how am I going to do that? Well, look at all of these people who believe in you, who are marching at the same beat of your drum, that have already put in money. This is really exciting. So this is under what people say, that section. But it goes hand in hand with the other dashboard, which is inviting people to be the campaign early on. I think is also a huge thing. So I hope that you took this lesson away, that it's important to prime the pump ahead of time to make sure that you're sending out your invites so that if people do invest more than 25K, that it's not charged for that, and that this tool becomes useful for you. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.